Welcome to the channel, Hussein Reyes Trader, HRT here. I'm here for what? I'm here to identify my strategy and inform the market what my strategy is. And then I sit back, I relax, and then I execute once the market gives me my opportunity. So what is my setup? What is my strategy? Right now, this is SPY, the S&P 500, and this is the pre-market. So I look to, my strategy is supply and demand using the 10-minute chart, right? And so what I look at is candle wick. If you want to know where supply and demands are at, look at the candle wick. You know, the little reaction that has like this effect, like that, right? Price comes, it creates a wick. Take a look right here, right? Look at that, right? Take a look right here. Wick occurred on the upside, right? There's a wick on the upside. Who's there? Who's suddenly dropping supplies? Sellers. Who's suddenly picking up the supplies? Buyers at a particular spots. So this area right here is where I identify supply and demand, and I went ahead and I marked it. So these are our areas that we're going to be trading, right? Here for selling puts, here for calls, here for calls. Now, these levels, we're going to make a decision based on to make a call or put based on what? Based on the VWAP, if the price is above or below the VWAP. Now, the price right now is above the VWAP, and what is this support right here? There is a level here. So what do? We go ahead and buy this one. Matter of fact, we actually buy this one a bit more because we're actually supported by the VWAP. The VWAP is just above this major level, right? Ding, 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 ding. Cool. This is SPY. And then we're going to go to Tesla and do the same analyzation, TA. All right. And then market will open very, very soon in less than 3 minutes here. Tesla is not looking good for calls. You guys can see there seems to be a downward trend here, right? All the wicks that seems to be popping out around this, I just kind of highlight this, you know, the average of this, you know, there seems to be, sellers just like rejection this trend line. There seems to be a trend line, I should say, right? And so then I went ahead and marked what the areas where price also spiking up, right? Spiked up right here, spiked up right here. There's also spikes right here. So there seems to be some buyers at this level. So I went ahead and marked that spot, right? What happened when it came here? Rejected it. Before it even came closer, it already got the wick. Same. And we went moving up. And so of course, here's the top as well too. There's also wicks on the top, cooling it down. All right, cool. So this is a fight between sellers and buyers. But if you look at overall, it looks like sellers are in control of Tesla. Their goal is to bring this all the way down. I think Tesla, the days of Tesla are over. This is just my opinion here. This Tesla just has not been trading well. All right. Like overall stock, like hasn't been performing. That's what it appears. Yesterday was quite of a shock, you know, went all the way down and huge uptick just to fall right back down. All right. So this is a strategy for Tesla, right? We have identified our spots. These areas, by the way, are from previous days. All right. So what we got to focus on is this right here, and as well as the view out there. So that is our strategy for Tesla. And now we sit back, we relax, we allow these next few minutes to clear up, and the market is gonna be open. So let us wait. All right, here we go. We have less than a minute right now before the market opens. Right now we're gonna focus on SPY real quick, because the SPY is above the VWAP, and I want to kind of start to focus on SPY real quick here. As you guys can see, for a broader perspective here, as you guys can see, second here. As you guys can see, SPY, it's, you know, near yesterday's high. You know what I'm saying? It's near yesterday's high. So here we go. Market just opened. I repeat, market just opened. We're getting some wicks here. I'm gonna start to buy a call here for SPY here real quick. If it doesn't break it, I can buy here, but I want to see a wick though before I get in. I want to see a wick before I get in on SPY. Oh shoot, I just missed it. All right, let me just get in real quick. All right, I'm seeing wick, so I'm getting in slowly. But if the wick starts to get cleared and we start to go below that green line, then I have to start to call that. I have to respect the loss and call it. Getting beautiful wick here. Beautiful wick. Good, very, very good. All right, this is a sign that our contract's not moving, as you guys can see, right? We're 3 contracts in, we're barely making money. That's fine. That just means the downside is more cooked in on the put side. So if we start to clear this green line, I will have to get out. I'm getting in as soon as we get close to the green line, but as soon as we dip down, we lose the wick on the downside, I get out. Right? That's just how I do. We're getting wicks. As long as we're holding that wick, but the wick is getting cleared. Look at the bottom wick. The more we have a wick on the bottom, and that's on our side, the more it gets cleared, then I have to accept the loss. Here we go. Yep, it's going down, so I have to start to call it. Yep, I have to call it, guys. Call it, call it. Oh, I wasn't even selling it. Oops, I sold it too late. Let's go ahead and refresh our P&L. That's fine, that's fine. This is a beginning. That just means we're gonna go on the put side. That's okay. That's all right. So here we go. I want to give it more time and see if we're gonna not have any more wicks. I'll be switching to the put side. All right, I'm switching to the put side because it looks like the wicks are not even happening. Yeah, wicks not even happening right now. So yeah, I went ahead and switched to on the put side. I'm on the put side right now. I'm buying puts pretty late. I would have preferred it to, what in the world? Why is my puts not even moving too? It's strange to me. Okay, we're getting a wick now. Gotta be careful. Yeah, we're getting a wick now. All right, that's fine. Wow, beautiful wick, by the way. Beautiful wick on the upside. Finally, the wick I've been waiting for to go long. As long as we don't go to the VWAP, I'm fine. I'm willing to keep adding. If the wick doesn't reach the VWAP, I'm willing to maintain my put. I know I sold a little too soon. The wick kind of freaked me out, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm adding into my puts though. As long as the wick is below the green line, that's fine. I'm willing to keep adding. Okay, here we go. Tesla? Tesla is up, guys. Like, Tesla is extremely running up. Cool. Now we got another wick. Isn't that interesting? As soon as I'm on the other side of the oh wow, the wick is now above the green. I have to be careful. Gotta be careful. As long as my stop loss is right here, the VWAP. As long as we're below the VWAP, I'm fine to keep adding puts. I know I've extremely oversized, by the way. Okay, as long as the wick is below the VWAP, I'm fine. We almost had it. I almost got freaked out. Okay, yeah, we are getting wicks on the upside a little, it appears. Let me go ahead and mark our stop loss here. Respect where we're going to respect our stop loss. It's going to be right here. That's our stop loss. All right. Again, this wick right here, we need to have no wick. That means sellers are strong and we're on the seller side. That's what that means. All right. I'd like to sell here for a little bit. Maybe sell half here, but we'll see what happens. As long as this wick doesn't reach all the way up to the VWAP, I'm fine to continue holding this put. It's very scary, I ain't gonna lie. You know, but so far things seems to be in my favor. There's a wick that's in my favor here, and we also crossed the VWAP. We also crossed this level as well. Things are more in my favor. I really thought we were not gonna cross here. That's why I went in long on the first time. But it looks like we immediately just crossed it down, so that's fine. Here we go. As long as the body's all the way there, we're fine. Continue holding this position. Right? We're going to have a similar bounce here. Even the put is not moving really well too. Okay. So there is some level here. I should have probably marked it. I forgot about that. Almost forgot about this level. It's a good level to mark. because the price did reverse here, right? We see we're likely going to see huge wick here for sure on the upside. Yep, as expected, because it's reacting to these buyers here. Okay, we got now huge wick now. Buyers are really stepped in. That's what that means. This is buyers wick right here. They're stepping in. They're saying nope. We're pushing this back up. Like I said, I'm fine to continue holding this and even accept my loss as long as we don't move this body all the way up to the VWAP. I'm fine. I'm fine. Let us be patient. Good. The wick's getting cleared. That's good. I like to see that. Good. Good job, sellers. Trading is probability. You go on the side of your probability, you know? We're getting a move down there again. So we're getting a move all the way there. So let's start to go ahead and cool some off right now. What the heck? How did I just went up? I thought I sold here. Am I in the wrong side or something? Yo, I just sold here. Why did it went up? Why did my last one up? I'm a little confused on that. Actually quite confused on that. Oh, maybe spiked up all of a sudden. All right, that's fine. Yeah, I'm willing to keep buying more puts at this point. I think I'm good on holding more puts. Like, yeah, it's crossing that line. Yep. I'm gonna keep holding this. Yeah. I regret selling too early. That's fine. I'm still pretty good in the position. 12% already. I'll just sell a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna hold this first for stop loss. I think we're gonna break here. Based on this kind of candle here clearing all this, I think we're gonna break right through this. I think we're gonna break right through that, yeah. Beautiful. I'm gonna sell just some here. I like it. I think that I'm just refreshing this, by the way. There we go. Yep, is it reacting to this right here? That's why the buyer stepped in, because right here, there are new buyers that are here. Right? No, there are also new buyers here, but then this new buyers have turned sellers now, right? Because the price cracked it. So now these new buyers would have to face this new sellers. Really like a check and balance type thing. Okay, we're gonna continue to hold this. This is nice. I'm really trying to avoid selling too early. That's kind of what's been I have been trying to avoid. You know what I mean? And yeah. Okay, we are good. We're good. Let's take a look at Tesla while we're waiting for this to crack here. I don't think it will. I think I should probably sell all my position here, but I want to just sell this for a stop loss, for break even, I should say. I'm not sure I said stop loss. Let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Let's take a look at Tesla. I think we're gonna. Oh wow, Tesla! Look at this wick here. Seller said no. Not okay. I gotta get one out. Damn. Kind of mad that I sold way too early. You know what I'm saying? Like, just mad about that. You know what I mean? I had 7 contracts in place. If I'd at least sold some right here, then here, I'd have been fine. But that's something I'm learning. You know what I mean? I'm learning too. I understand that now that I'm a profitable trader, I need to learn when to exit. Wow, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm tempted to add here, but it's fine. I think I'm going to hold this through. So Tesla is now holding above here. Tesla is holding above here. All right. So I'm not looking to go long on Tesla just yet. I know that it's holding above here, which is very strong, right? It broke the trend here. You know what I'm saying? I could buy it, but again, because below the VWAP, I'd rather just wait for a bit longer to trade Tesla. In the meantime, I think I wanna focus on SPY here. SPY is not breaking that level, right? SPY is breaking that level. I'm gonna go ahead and sell one here just because it broke that level. We're officially in the green, but I know we've been selling way too early. Way too early. You know what I mean? Wow, what a rejection. You guys saw that reaction? You guys saw that? Yeah. So based on this wick right here, could I have, placed a put right here? Yeah, I could have, but because I'm I'm above the VWAP and very tight to the VWAP, I'd rather wait before I get in on a put for Tesla. Right now, Tesla is a call. Even though you have this against you, it's still a call because we're just above the VWAP. So don't go against that. Oh, wow. Okay. So SPY really got pulled up. All right, that's fine. We're at this level now. That's fine. Okay, we're going to break this level. Can I go ahead and place a put right here? I actually could place a put right there. Yeah. For SPY. Ooh. Maybe that was a bad idea. I don't think we're gonna crack this. That's kind of what I'm betting on. That's why I went ahead and added more. Let's just focus on SPY right now since we just focused on. Okay, we rejected it. That's good. But again, we're getting picked up here. But yeah. Because it got to this spot, that's why I decided to place a put. Again, it's pretty risky. Pretty risky going against this wick here. But because it could be possible that it wants to go to the VWAP. Bro, VWAP retest. It could be possible. And that's all right. That's why my risk for my stop loss for this one is literally like right here, bro. Like if we start to crack that level, even like get to here, I'm gonna start to go like get out of that. We need to clear this wick. We need to go all the way down, clear this wick. Right now it's having this reaction right here. That's what's going on. If we close above this candle, above this major line, if the body is above it, maybe I'll start be careful. Oh wow, I'm actually putting up really nicely. So let me just go ahead and cool some off. Okay, I think we're gonna break this. Yeah. I'm glad that we just immediately pushed it down. We need to see this body go below though. The body of the candle needs to close below. That means like it's really strong sellers, like extremely strong. Ooh, this is when I place a put for Tesla. Let's go to Tesla real quick. Look at this right here. Now I can place my put because it's not. I missed it though. I missed it. I knew I should have watched Tesla. Shoot. I knew I should have watched Tesla after seeing this wick. You know what I mean? I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Like we're gonna get a wick. And that's what I wanted to trade. Put. But that's fine because I was in an important position. Okay. So I can't keep, you know what I mean? Like I gotta just focus on one right now. I'm heavily involved in what the heck did I do? That demo? Oops. Let's get out of that. All right, here we go. What was I doing? Yeah, you see that? I'm confusing myself right now. I'm confusing myself. Let's not do that. Let's focus. Wow, what a crack here. What a crack right there. You know what I mean? What a crack right there. Yeah, this is beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and sell some here. We cannot. Why not take this profit, guys? Like, there's no reason not to. Let me refresh the page. 57 bucks. We'll take it. I know we could have done better. I know I should have traded Tesla, but because I was heavily involved in SPY, I don't have that. I don't have that automatic switch just yet. You know what I'm saying with trading. Just yet. We're gonna go ahead and sell SPY. We did very well. This is a good trade. I know I could have done way better. I'm telling you. This is just the beginning for me. This is just the beginning of my trading. Well, the beginning of my profitable trading skill. Okay, too much. I'm in great regret that I did not trade Tesla. Oh my goodness. I've seen this many, many times. Like, many times. Wow, I'm so good at this. All right, I'm so proud of myself. All right, I really, really am. Like, I've come a long way to me to understand that because we're above here, I didn't want to put just here. I wanted to see a wick. Once the body, once I saw a put up to here, and we're going below the VWAP, I would have went in hammed on put. Because now what? You have this sellers here, right? And you have also got this sellers that stepped in. Like, what? Why would you not place a put? And I can, by the way. The price still, you know what I'm saying? I'm still tempted to, you know what? Bro, let's prove ourselves. If this starts to move up to the VWAP, I will start to add. You know what? Let's do it. Why are we afraid right now? Cool. We're getting a move up to that line, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Here we go. Here we go. It got picked up too. I should have probably been careful, bro. My ego kind of stepped in low key. All right, cool. We're 9 out. Exactly what we're looking for. That's fine. So here we go. I got in. All right, here we go. My stop loss is right here. I got in right here. Do exactly what I was looking for. So that's very good. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. If this moves against me, that's fine. I have to respect it. That's okay. But I think I am right on this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I don't think we're gonna go above the VWAP. There's no way. That's why I placed the put. That's why I what? Placed the put. If we move above it, I have to respect my left, and that's okay. This is a nice spot. The price is above here, so I do have to be careful. I'm not gonna lie, but I do want to add at the same time because it could be moving up. And if he does it, and I have my stop loss right here, that's fine. I'll go ahead and take the L. But I don't think we're gonna pass this VWAP here. I need to find a good spot for a put. Maybe like for first my stop loss. Maybe like right here. Yeah, I want to say right here for. Oh wow, we're really getting picked up. Yeah, I'm a little worried now. Yep. This sucks. That I'm a little shocked about that, by the way. I'm actually extremely shocked that this came above it. Wow, I took a major L on this. I really thought, wow, it got really, really picked up. I should have. Oh wow. All right, that's fine. That's fine. I'll have to take my loss if it goes above this line, of course. I'm a little surprised of that. All right, that's and I did moved up my stop loss. That's not good. That's not good. But I think it's too tight. I don't think we're gonna go above this line. We'll see what happens. We're getting a wick. That's good. Okay, this is very strong now because now we're above the VWAP. I'm still gonna maintain this position. I like that we had sellers that stepped in here, but buyers really stepped in here. That's kind of what scared me out. Not gonna lie. We'll see what happens here. I'll have to accept this loss and I'm gonna keep moving forward. That's fine. This is the spot where it reversed, so yeah, should probably have it just about right here. I need to see this below here. I'm a little shocked that this wick happened. I'm in regret of that. You know, my ego kind of stepped in. I'm like, why am I going this wick here? When the body came up here and I saw this wick, I should have not been doing that. To be honest, this is not a good trade of me. But I think I'm still gonna hold for as long as there's a wick here. That's fine. Let's see how SPY is doing in the meantime. Okay, SPY is trying to reverse, but it's also really down. Okay, good. Please clear this. Good job, sellers. Very, very good. Sellers really stepped in and managed to push it below. Whew, I got scared, but we're above this trend line, so that's why I gotta be careful. I should have probably sold it, to be honest, since we're above that trend line. Yeah, buyers are pushing this really nicely. Wow, we're now above the VWAP. Yep. This is a lost trade. This is a lost trade, guys. We're literally holding above the VWAP now. And I went against the trend. All right, so. All right, guys, I gotta admit it. My ego got me here. All right, my ego got to me. This is a loss. I was in a profit, and now I'm taking an L. My ego got to me. I gotta respect that. Yep, 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 yep. My ego got to me. Instead of understanding what's only in front of me. That's fine. I'll accept this loss. If we go to my stop loss, I will accept it. Done. Done. I know what to do now. I mean, I've always been knowing what to do. I just had this, my ego got to me. That's all. That is all. Now we wait for this trade to go against us because the odds of going against is extremely high now. Than the odds of being in our favor. The fact that it cracked now, I like it. I like that it cracked the VWAP, but again, it's just going to get picked up right here. You know what I mean? We're going against this. We're going against the VWAP close above. We are just going against a lot of things right now. And we had to accept this loss. And he got a wick right here. You see that? So yeah. All right, cool. We're going to see if it's going to go to our stop loss, and that's it. Which the odds are extremely high that it's going to. Yep. Extremely high. This is our stop loss right here. Where the price once rejected. Yep, here we go. Could I have still sold it when it had that dip? Yeah, I could have. But again, I'm trading with my ego, so that's kind of what's going on right now. We're giving away all our gains for the last 2 weeks right now. I'm very devastated by this. I really, really am. But that's what happens when your ego comes into play. That's literally what happened, so gotta respect it. Yep. No, I'm punishing myself right now. I'm gonna allow this to go to the stop loss. I'm really gonna do that because I didn't like what I did. I did not like what I did. That's it. I did not like what I did. Right? This is my stop loss right here. This is where the price went up and rejected it, began this trend line. That's my stop loss. My risk is pretty high risk. You know what I'm saying? Nearly $300 risk. I like that we got a wick. That's freaking amazing. Wick. That's good. That's very good. But we need... That's very good. I think it was too early to get in on this trade for the put side because we moved above it. Yep. Oops. This is bullish, by the way. I repeat, this is bullish. Bullish. Trading is probability, right? You have to ask yourself, what are things in your favor? What are things that's not in your favor to increase in your probability, right? So for being on the call side, what are some factors that are in your probability? Above the VWAP. What's another one? Above this trend. That's really it. You know what I'm saying? But what is on your favor on the put side? In this case, I'm on the put side. Bro, we just cracked it finally. Wow, I'm gonna cool it off really fast, guys. Like, I'm actually pretty happy. You know, I knew the trade was maybe going in my side, but the very fact that it got pushed up like that, I got scared. And that's just what happened. Good. I knew this wick was gonna be the one. I guess ultimately I was right in my favor, but the only reason I got disappointed is that the ratio in which how much is gonna go up, that I was wrong on. Like, I didn't think it's gonna come all the way back up again to this level. Like, that shocked me. That extremely shocked me. But yeah, we're not selling this for a loss for sure. I'm very grateful for that. I'm very happy that we cracked below the trend. I guess you could say I kind of doubted my guess you could say I doubted my TA, but still gotta like understand that what I did was not good. All right. I don't even know what I did wrong. I'm just pretty happy right now. Yeah. I know I sold too soon just to get out because emotionally I am just, happy and just I'm gonna call it a day and get my $100 for the day. That's always my goal, by the way. It's $100, 120 a day. I'm willing to hold this all the way. I don't think we're gonna, crack the trend anymore. I think we're done. We're done. I think we're done going above the trend. I'm gonna do better explaining once we get out of this position what I could have done better, and as well as what I could have not done, basically. I think we're gonna crack here. That's why, that's why I'm holding this one. I think we're gonna crack here and go all the way here. We might even crack this whole thing. We might even go even lower. But I'm just being cautious of seeing wicks. If I'm starting to see wicks and I go to start to the sell button, but as the wick starts to get cleared, then I don't mind. I don't mind waiting. But as you guys can see, this bottom wick, it's not strong. You know what I mean? Before it was like, now it's like, I gotta. It's like that. You know what I'm saying? Struggling. You got more weight on here with the seller stepping in, clearing all this. Claiming this whole body candle. So I think we're gonna go down. Good. Well, now we open below the trend. Now we can hold this position all the way to the freaking floor. That's how mad I am. All right. Good. Very good. This was a scary trade. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Things were in my side, but oh, we got a wick. I gotta be careful. Here we go. I'm not selling this for a loss for sure. Trust me on that one. We cleared that $12. We're out. I'm watching you. As long as we're below this wick, it's below the trend, it's fine. We're fine. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Can I add more to here? Yeah, I could, but I'm not going to. I'm done. I actually can add more, but remember, I don't trade trend line, which is, by the way, a really good strategy. It's actually a really good strategy, but that's not something I've been doing for a long time, so I have to not rely on that right now. I rely on my strategy that I've been doing for a long time. But I've seen successful traders that consistently use only trend line to trade, and it's like incredibly high success rate. Incredibly high success rate. I'm shocked. And that's something I plan on learning as time goes. Wow, SPY like cracked. I'm telling you, SPY is on the floor right now. Like it's on the floor. Like we need to call the janitor at this point because we got aisle 7 mess on aisle 7. There's a mess spill on aisle 7 for sure. $30. Come on, should we take this? Or should we let our ego just like keep going? I want more. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of what I'm tempted to do. Right now, aisle 7 needs some cleaning first. That's because SPY is down. SPY is down. I went ahead and took that because I don't want to trade against this level. I'm happy that I went all the way here to this level. We ended the day with 150. You know what I'm saying? Oh, a 142. I'd call it 145. All right, let's go. like those numbers. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at aisle 7 real quick because aisle 7 is a mess. Murder scene right now. Aisle 7, murder scene on aisle 7. That is crazy. Like, what is this? You know? All right, now let us relax. We're no longer taking a trade. Step in, breathe out. Ooh. Okay. All right, right now your boy's feeling mixed emotion, all right? Like absolute mixed emotion. That's what your boy's feeling right now. That's what HRT is feeling right now. And now we're gonna sit back, relax, cool this off. All right? We're gonna cool this off. We're gonna what? We're gonna cool this off. And I'm gonna explain. I'm going to what? I'm going to explain. All right. Trade recap time. Here we go. This is Tesla. In the beginning, Tesla spiked up like crazy at this level. Is this my level to buy? Yes. But then I look at what? I look at the VWAP. Is the VWAP supporting me for me to buy this? No. The VWAP is up here and the level is down here. The price is below the VWAP. So this is a level for what? For put. So I don't buy here. So I waited. It took off, which happens. Even though it's below the VWAP, it took off. So once it took off and it got rejected like this is a long wick. You know what this tells you? That tells you sellers are extremely dominant. Yeah, sellers heavily stepped in and said, nah. I'm telling you, they said nah. When you see a candle wick like this, it's complete sellers. And I understood that. As soon as I saw that, I was on SPY. In my mind, I said to myself, yo, I need to watch Tesla. Because once we have this wick, that means sellers are in. That means sellers managed to push this down A. And on top of that, they managed to open the price here, well below this level. And on top of that, when the price got pushed here, sellers brought it back. That means they're claiming this level. That means what? Sellers are what? They claim this level. Sellers what? I repeat, they what? They claimed this level. That's what sellers did. They claimed this level. When I saw this wick, and on top of this wick, and this wick clearing this whole candle, and then this wick, sellers stepping in to say, nah, you're not going above here as well. That's when I knew that put is a good opportunity here. Put is a what? A good opportunity. Once the price went below the VWAP, this is like 2 minutes, just the closing of this candle. Before this candle closes, you have 2 minutes before the next candle opens, which is this one. You know what I'm saying? It got pushed down all the way here and it got picked up. When it got picked up, I knew that this is an opportunity for a put. Right? Not only did the sellers manage to clear this candle, they also claimed this level. They also brought the price well below the VWAP, and then in the last 2 minutes, buyers happens to step in to try to push it above the trend. That's the only thing that's with you on the buyer side at this point, right? There's like 4 things I just mentioned that are all on the seller side, and I understood that. So I said to myself, I'm gonna get in on a put side. I'm gonna go heavy. Because at this point, buyers are extremely weak. They are weak. They are weak. And so then once the price opened up here, the candle, and it got pushed up like that, I'm shocked. I was shocked. I am not gonna lie, that surprised me that there was enough buying power that actually did this. You know what I'm saying? That went against this massive sellers. Like that shocked me. The price went all the way up like that. So that right there, that feeling of, damn, I was wrong, got to me. Even though technicality, I was right. Does that make sense? Technicality, I was right. But the very fact that this surprise push up to all the way here, that extremely surprised me. And I nearly almost sold it here. But I decided to say to myself, nah, bro, let me at least hold it here. This is surprising. Let me at least hold it here. Right? Now in hindsight, now that I'm looking at this, it kind of makes sense why the price went up here. It's to get more liquidity, all right? It's to get more liquidity. Let's put the price all the way up. Let's have more sellers come in or whatever. Let's get some stop loss going. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what happened here. That's what happened. And then the price reversed exactly where it's supposed to be, right? Which is who's the dominant controller. So that's that. That's that. That is that. Now that we clear that up, now when it comes to our selling, right? The price came here. I went ahead and sold my majority right off the bat. Did I needed to do that? No. But because I was so emotionally rattled. Did I just say that word, bro? This moment of silence real quick. Okay, thank you. And all right, I was shocked. All right, I was shocked. All right. And so emotionally, I'm unstable at this point, right? So I needed to secure my profit and call it a day. Could I have kind of cooled off and said, hey, relax. Your technicality is what you should focus on. And that's correct. Hold it. Relax. And I could have sold all of it here. We could have probably made 200 plus today. Nearly 200. All right. And I think at the end of the day, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of HRT. Proud of you, Hussein. For real, for real. You're doing very well. You're doing very well. This is your best week. these last 2 weeks are your best trading weeks. Like everything that I have been doing are now paying off. I'm now seeing the end of the tunnel. I'm now seeing light at the end of the tunnel with my trading, and I've only been trading for 1 year and a few months. And I'm not depressed and go to the window and just kind of thinking like this, questioning my existence. Like, why am I getting things wrong? Why am I losing money today? Why did I lose this money today? I'm going for a walk, behind the lake here. So, coming a long way, HRT. I'm proud of you. I really, really am. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Provide value. Provide value to the other traders that once like you. You know what I'm saying? And provide value to them and get them out of the dark and show them the light is there, bro. Keep going. Trust me. The tunnel is dark. I get it. The light is still there. It's up there in front of you. Keep going. Show them that light. That's my plan. I'm trying to, the other Hussein that once, you know what I'm saying? The other Hussein, yeah, that is also going through what I went through. Yeah, I want to make sure I'm helping you out. So please go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that. Go ahead and put your comment in the comment section. Any question you have, I got you, bro. I'm gonna answer for you. To the best of my knowledge, my experience, I got you. I'm gonna answer the best I can. All right, and please go ahead and put a like on the video, because this helps move the algorithm and show to others who are just like you, starting trading, need assistance, need questions, and so then they don't also get involved with the scammers. I'm telling you about this field. They have day trading. There's people who are trying to use, take advantage of, new traders' emotion, and they try to sell them to get rich, saying stuff. And so I don't want to be like that, and I don't want you to be like that. And yeah, and I want to help out. So with that all said, guys, this is exactly what I knew was going to happen, and I'm very happy. I got a little bit shocked, but I'm very happy at the end of the day the trade went on our side. But this is all learning experience. I know as time goes, my goal is now, as time goes, now that I'm a profitable trader, as time goes, I need to now learn the other side of the formula, which is what? Green, seeing more green than red. I'm not used to that. I'm behind it with you guys. I'm new to this world now, finally. I've been looking to be in that world, seeing more green than red, right? I'm now in that world. I've been welcoming that world, I think 2 weeks ago, and it's amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. I love it. It's a beautiful world, all right? But I also need help, guidance in what's it called, in how to maneuver around only seeing green, and when to sell, when not to sell, when to cool off your emotions, even though your profit, like, it's up there. You know what I'm saying? And that's something that I'm gonna start reading on books, start learning, start looking at those people who are well in the green world, and observe how they think, how they view, etc., etc., etc. With that all said, HIT out.